Hey everyone, welcome back to Facts Funeral. Today, we're diving into some truly mind-blowing facts about the human body that will make you see yourself in a whole new light. Let's get started. Friends, have you ever really thought about your tongue? It helps you eat, talk, and taste, but did you know it's also totally unique? Just like your fingertips, your tongue has its own special pattern. Imagine looking at a fingerprint. You see those ridges and grooves, right? Well, your tongue has them too. No two tongues are alike, which means your tongue print is like its own personal ID card. Scientists are still trying to figure out all the reasons why our tongues have these unique patterns. Some think it might have to do with how we talk, while others believe it could be related to our sense of taste. So, next time you stick out your tongue, remember, it's another way your body is one of a kind. Have you ever broken a bone? It's not fun, is it? But here's something amazing. Your bones are always working to rebuild and renew themselves. It's like having a team of tiny construction workers inside your body, constantly remodeling your skeleton. This process, called bone remodeling, happens throughout your life. Old bone is broken down and replaced with new bone, keeping your skeleton strong and healthy. It's like replacing the old, worn-out bricks in a building with brand new ones. Now you might be wondering, if my bones are always being replaced, why don't they look brand new all the time? Well, that's because bone remodeling is a gradual process. It happens bit by bit, so you don't suddenly end up with a completely new skeleton overnight. In fact, every 7 to 10 years, your entire skeleton is renewed. That means the bones you have today aren't the same bones you had a decade ago. Getting enough calcium, vitamin D, and weight-bearing exercise can help keep your bones strong and healthy as they regenerate. Let's talk about your heart, that incredible organ working tirelessly inside your chest. It's the engine that keeps your blood pumping and your body functioning. And let me tell you, this engine never takes a break. On average, your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. That's right, 100,000. To put that in perspective, imagine snapping your fingers that many times. With each beat, your heart pumps blood through a network of arteries, veins, and capillaries, a complex system of tubes that stretches for thousands of miles throughout your body. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every single cell, ensuring they have what they need to function properly. It also collects waste products and transports them to the appropriate organs for removal. Over a year, your heart beats around 36 million times. That's more beats than there are seconds in a year. Have you ever noticed how some people are early birds, while others are night owls? Well, that's because each of us has a unique biological clock ticking away inside us, regulating our sleep-wake cycles, hormone release, and even our mood. This internal timer, known as the circadian rhythm, is like an internal conductor, orchestrating the symphony of your body's daily functions. It's what makes you feel alert and energized during the day, and ready for sleep when night falls. Think of it like a 24-hour cycle that influences everything from your body temperature to your hormone levels. It's synchronized with the rising and setting of the sun, but it's also influenced by factors like your genes, lifestyle, and environment. Now, while we all have a circadian rhythm, its timing can vary from person to person. Some of us are naturally programmed to wake up early and feel most productive in the morning, while others thrive in the evening hours. By aligning your schedule with your natural rhythms, you can work your body, not against it. Take a deep breath and appreciate the amazing power of your nose. It's more than just a bump on your face. It's a highly sensitive sensory organ capable of detecting over 1 trillion different scents. That's right. Think about all the smells you encounter every day: freshly brewed coffee, blooming flowers, freshly cut grass. Each scent is composed of hundreds of different odor molecules, and your nose can distinguish between them with incredible precision. It all starts with those tiny receptors in your nasal cavity. When you inhale, odor molecules bind to these receptors, triggering a signal that travels to your brain. Your brain then interprets these signals, allowing you to perceive and identify different smells. Your sense of smell is closely linked to your memory and emotions. That's why certain scents can evoke vivid memories or trigger strong emotional responses. You've probably heard that water is essential for life, and that's not just a catchy phrase, it's the truth. Water is absolutely crucial for our survival, and it makes up a surprisingly large percentage of our bodies, around 60%. Think of your body as a walking, talking water balloon, though hopefully you're a bit more resilient. This water isn't just sloshing around inside you, it's hard at work, playing vital roles in countless bodily functions. For starters, water acts as a solvent, dissolving essential nutrients and transporting them throughout your body. It also helps flush out waste products, keeping your internal systems clean and functioning smoothly. Water also helps regulate your body temperature, preventing you from overheating or getting too cold. Think of it like your body's internal air conditioner and heater, all rolled into one. And let's not forget about lubrication. Water keeps your joints moving smoothly, preventing painful friction and allowing you to move with ease. So, the next time you take a sip of water, remember that you're not just quenching your thirst, you're replenishing a vital resource that keeps your entire body running smoothly. When we think of organs, we often picture things like our heart, lungs, or brain. But what about the organ that covers your entire body? That's right, your skin is an organ too, and it's the largest one you've got. Think about it. Your skin stretches from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, acting as a protective barrier between your delicate insides and the outside world. It's like a suit of armor, shielding you from injury, infection, and the elements. But your skin is much more than just a passive shield. It's a dynamic, living organ with some incredible abilities. For starters, it's waterproof, preventing your insides from turning into a soggy mess. It's also surprisingly strong and flexible, allowing you to move freely without ripping or tearing. Your skin also plays a crucial role in regulating your body temperature. And let's not forget about your skin's amazing ability to heal itself. Whether it's a minor cut or a more serious injury, your skin can repair and regenerate itself, often leaving behind little or no trace of the damage. Get ready to flex your knowledge about muscles because your body is a powerhouse of muscular action. You might be surprised to learn that you have over 600 muscles working together to keep you moving, breathing, and even digesting your food. These muscles come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny muscles that control your eye movements, to the powerful muscles in your legs that propel you forward when you walk or run. Each muscle has a specific job to do, and they work together in perfect harmony to keep your body functioning properly. Think of it like an orchestra, with each muscle playing its part to create a beautiful symphony of movement. Your heart, for example, is a powerful muscle that pumps blood throughout your body, while your diaphragm, a large dome-shaped muscle, helps you breathe. But muscles aren't just about movement. They're also essential for maintaining your posture, stabilizing your joints, and even regulating your body temperature. You might think your brain powers down when you drift off to sleep, but in reality, it's putting in some serious overtime. While your body rests, your brain is busy consolidating memories, processing emotions, and making sense of the day's events. Think of it like your brain's nightly cleaning and organizing session. While you're catching those Z's, your brain is hard at work sorting through the information it received during the day and filing it away for future use. During sleep, your brain replays memories, strengthens connections between neurons, and even comes up with creative solutions to problems that might have stumped you during your waking hours. That's why getting enough sleep is crucial for cognitive function, memory consolidation, and overall mental well-being. Ever wondered how your body copes with pain? Well, it turns out you have a team of tiny superheroes working behind the scenes, your body's very own natural painkillers called endorphins. Endorphins are chemicals produced by your brain that interact with your body's opioid receptors, reducing your perception of pain and triggering feelings of pleasure and euphoria. They're like your body's natural morphine, providing relief from pain and stress. And here's the best part, you can actually boost your endorphin production naturally. Engaging in activities you enjoy, like exercising, listening to music, or spending time with loved ones, can trigger the release of these feel-good chemicals. So, the next time you're feeling stressed or in pain, remember that your body has its own built-in pain relief system. And there you have it, 10 unbelievable facts about the human body that you probably didn't know. If you found these facts as amazing as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Facts Funeral for more fascinating content. And let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most.